Okay, so dear students, in the virtual class, as we are in the computer virtual class, we are introduction of our new software that you have to be learned. That is a Scratch 3, and due to some issues in my laptop, I am unable to open the Scratch in front of you. So first of all, we are learning about the block category. This is the block category. This is the block plate, tabs, green flag, red button. This is the spread. This one is the stage where the spread will be moved and you can see the changes of the spread. This is the script area where you have to be drag and drop the blocks. This option is used to add the different scripts add. If you want to add the different script, you can see here this is my Scratch desktop. This is my Scratch programming software. Here are all the things available here. These are the platers, block petal, block here, then tabs, costumes, sounds. All the things are available here. This is the spread. If you want to move it, so you can be press drag and drop here, and you can see the changes here. This is the green flag. Whenever you play, you want to play the animation, then you have to be click on the green flag. This is the stop button. Whenever you want to stop the button, then you have to be used it. This one is the name of the spread, detail of the spread to show you. This is the delete button. Using of this, you can add the different spreads over here. So these all the things are the interfaces of the Scratch software. ये सभी जो आपको दिख रही है, that is called the interfaces of the Scratch. Now we are learning one by one of them. Basic elements of the Scratch 3 application window. First, spread means the cat, you can see that. This one is called the spread. What is the spread? Spread are placed on the stage. We can give instruction to move the spread, change its color and give the special effects such as making it bigger, changing its costumes and many more. Where the place of the spread, that will be a stage. वो stage पे रहेगा, उसको ही हम इंस्ट्रक्शन दे के हम हमारा एनिमेशन बनाएंगे, जैसे कि उसका कलर चेंज करना, उसको डिफरेंट इफेक्ट देना, उसका साइज छोटी या फिर बड़ी करना, उसका कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करना. There are many more effects we can give on the spread. All the things we have to be made in the animation with the use of the Scratch 3 will be we have to do on the spread. We can select the spread from the spread library or create new spread. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है जो कि बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट स्क्रैच में जो है आप वही यूज़ करो. आप अपना खुद भी बना सकते हो. यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन. आपको पेंटिंग आती है तो आप उस तरह से अपना स्प्रिट बना सकते हो. वी विल बी लर्न ऑल द थिंग्स. These are the example of the spread. Stage. The stage is the area where we can see the sprite in the action. जहाँ पे sprite का action होगा, जहाँ वो अपना animation perform करेगा. The sprite movement and the other actions are controlled by the instruction blocks. This is the stage. आप cat जहाँ पे देख रहे हो उसके पीछे का जो white area है, that is called the stage. Then script area. It is the area where we create our scripts program for each spread by taking the various instruction block in the sequence. What is the script area? जहाँ पे हमें instructions को drag and drop करना है और हमें अपना animation बनाना है. To display the script area, select the script tabs. That will be by default. You can see that this white space will be called the script area. Block plate. The block plate contain all the instructions block at are grouped according to their functions. This is the block plate. आप यहाँ पे blue color का देख सकते हो. Whenever you click on the second one, so it will be converted into the purple. So there are the different block plates are available. Each group of category contain block that perform the similar task. For example, motion category contain the blocks for controlling the movement of the sprite. अगर आप मोशन पे जा रहे हो तो उसका मूवमेंट आपको जिस तरह से करना हो, देन यू कैन चूज द मोशन. लुक्स का मतलब क्या करना हो, आपको कोई मैसेज पास करवाना हो, उसकी साइज चेंज करनी हो, उसका कलर चेंज करना हो, उसके स्प्रिट के ऊपर आपको कोई इफेक्ट देनी हो, देन यू हैव टू गो टू द लुक्स. साउंड का मतलब होता है डिफरेंट साउंड प्ले करना. लाइक दैट देर आर अदर ब्लॉक्स आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सबके कलर चेंज अलग अलग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट दिए हुए बिकॉज वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई देम इजीली. Next, adding the sprite. How can you add the sprite over here? Scratch has a library of sprite that we can use in our projects. We can also create a new sprite. The sprite button allows us to select the sprite from the library or paint a new sprite. It also allows us to use an image file or an image clicked using the camera as an sprite. Then how can you add? Here the steps are given that how can you add the sprite. First is the upload sprite. It is allow us to add the sprite from the image file जो हमारे इमेज में रहता हमारे कंप्यूटर में बाय डिफॉल्ट रहता है. यू कैन ऑल्सो इमेज योर ओन इमेज. सरप्राइज, इट विल बी ए रैंडम स्प्रिट फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. जो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो स्क्रैच की लाइब्रेरी होती है उसमें जो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो स्प्रिट्स रहते हैं उसमें से कोई भी एक रैंडम पिक करके आपके स्टेज पे लाके देगा. थर्ड, पेंट, इट विल अलाउ अस टू ड्रॉ एंड यूज आवर ओन स्प्रिट. आप आपका खुद का स्प्रिट भी बना सकते हो. एंड लास्ट, चूज अ स्प्रिट, इट विल अलाउ अस टू सिलेक्ट द स्प्रिट फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. You can see here the options available. This symbol is given. 4 options are available. So we can use this here. Let's do the practical for that. Here you can on the right side corner you can see a one image. Whenever you click on the first one, you can see the option available that is a choose a spread. Whenever you click on that, there are many more options available that will be by default in the scratch. वो by default scratch में ही रहता है. यहाँ पे categories भी मिलती है, animals, peoples, fantasy, dance, music, sport, food, fashion, letters. Like that you can choose any of them. आपको जो पसंद हो आप वहाँ से यहाँ ले सकते हो. If you want to if you want to draw your own. Second is the paint. Whenever you click on that, here there will be option came. आप अपना खुद की भी पेंटिंग करके उसको बना सकते हो. जैसे कि ये लाइन ड्रॉ करना, फिर ये उसके ऊपर मैंने सर्कल बनाया. That will be also be learn in the detail. So this is the third sprite. I'm going to delete it. I will be sure that how can we do that. Then थर्ड इज द सरप्राइज. मीन्स रेंडमली कोई भी जो उसकी लाइब्रेरी है बाय डिफॉल्ट स्क्रैच की उसमें से रेंडमली पिक करके आपको देगा. सो यू कैन सी दैट हियर देयर विल बी अ वन केम लाइक अ टाइप. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द upload a spread. So upload a spread from the, for example, I have a desktop, one image on the desktop. For example, I have a logo of the Podar International School. So I will be opened it and you can see that image will be came here. आप अपनी image भी यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. That's it. So I will be now it's time for the task. What should you have to do? You have to add a 3 or 4 sprites of your choice. First you can also upload your own image from the first one, that is upload sprite, surprise, paint. You can create your own paint. Okay, so this is your task and hopefully that you will be understood. If you are not able to understood, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so bye everyone, have a good day.